In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to extract zip file with the help of the ZArchiver app. So all you have to do is just open your Play Store and then download this app that is called ZArchiver. So once you download it, simply click on open and then go and locate that your zip file. So that's the first thing you need to do. So my zip file is inside my UC download. So you can see it inside the UC download folder. So you can actually see this 10K zip file. So it can actually be any zip file, like in as much as it's a zip file, is going to work. So all you have to do now is just tap on it just once, and then you are going to see extract here. So click on extract here, and it's going to start extracting that your zip file immediately. Now, once it's done extracting, you are going to actually see the files that are inside that your zip file. As for me, my file that was inside is this ISO file. So you can see at the top, it has actually extracted the ISO file. So if you are ever in any situation where you are not with your PC or your laptop and you need to extract a zip file real quick with your Android device, then this app is the exact app that you need to use to get that done. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.